Real quick, showing you how to look at the nameplate of an AC unit and how that relates to your breaker size and wire size. This nameplate right here is all you need. So the two items that we're looking at is going to be the max fuse size, which in this unit is 20, and then the minimum circuit ampacity, which is 11.9. So there's a lot of people confused on this, but it's fairly simple. When sizing an AC, there's exceptions because there's loads of inrush when this unit starts up, which is why our breaker size might be 20, but the ampacity, the minimum ampacity, is actually what we go off for the wiring. So we know we need a 20 amp breaker, and we also need 14 gauge wire to cover us over that 11.9 minimum ampacity. And keep in mind, our 125% is already in that minimum ampacity. So even if you have a 14 amp minimum ampacity, you can still use 14 gauge wire on that, as it's rated in the 60-degree column up to 15 amps. Then I always like to strip off the ends there where the old termination was, because the copper gets depressed a little bit, and that's going to affect its efficiency. Also, when I'm in this breaker panel, I do see that we've got two Bryant breakers, so I'm going to recommend a swap out on those, just a hazard, and get in the rated breakers for this panel. Also got one just not quite seating right, so that I don't like either. Rust also not good, but that's besides the point. Pop in the new one, turn it on, and we go out and test. All right, listen to that Daikin purr. That's what I like to hear.